This is the life. Guarding our sand here, are you? The mayhem has started. First day of construction. And here's the next round, guys. 100,000. Hi guys, we are here now at the Western Union because Shella is inside getting the money. This is for our construction that we're starting on a house. And it's too much money to fetch over the ATM. It's too many transactions. This is the easiest way to do it. If you do a transfer by a bank, it takes 3 to 5 days to clear, and this is like it clears immediately. So there she is. So the first transfer is for 100,000 pesos. That's, you only get a limit of 10,000 at the ATM, so that would be like 10 withdrawals. It's too much. Then you get a warning from your bank that there's fraud happening on your card, which has happened to me before. So this is the safest way for it.
It's done.
It's done.
Yes, finally.
So quick. They're actually lucky because these guys have got more cash than the original branch we went to in town, and they just referred us here. Because 100,000 pesos they normally don't have just lying around inside.
Yes.
Cooper.
Arabella, gitang i-video ko.
But that sand is just, that, but that's not our sand, right?
That's the one, yes. Yeah, that's the one.
Why is it out of the bag?
They bring it out. Pamu ka po. Yes, they're delivering now the sand from outside. 500 per cubic. Yes. Ubos man gasolina mo kang ano.
Emptying our sand here. Hard work, and it's still hot. Even though the sun is setting, it's still hot. Shella's brother, B-boy, helping, sweating. Everybody gathered.
Sweating.
Yeah. This is the fast way to get the bags down because we live quite a long way down from the road, so you cannot carry it. They bring by my motorbike. Where are you going? Believe it or not, but this overgrown section was all our leftover materials from our build, the second floor. I mean, they only put it there for about 3 months ago, and look how it's overgrown already. You can hardly see it.
We still have kamuti tops, lots of kamuti tops, gabi.
Where's the kamote tops?
Yes, this one.
Oh, this one here.
Yeah.
The banana trees at the back here. And our coconuts.
Wash.
Lots of greenery. We don't have to go to the market. So the section we're going to now work on is, this is all completed. The top floor. This has been renovated at the bottom. And now we're going to work on this section at the back here. Completely tear this down and replace with cement. And then the second floor on top of that. That extends our area on the top as well. And it goes all the way to the back. So this is all being used as a storeroom at the moment. So all that will become the new area. And we'll have 3 bedrooms on here to accommodate Shella's brothers. And then obviously a roofing. And on top is our section. Continues. We will have office and gym, etc. So that's the plan. And the estimated time is like 2 months apparently. So we'll see. We have a budget and we try and stick to the budget, but with constructions there's always hidden costs. So we'll see how it's going to work out. Hopefully it'll end up looking really nice. More sacks of sand arriving. This is going to be a big mountain of sand here.
Far away outside. No, so far.
Oh my god, now it's stuck. That is Kano,
And Borge.
and he's the father of this one,
Yes.
Burj, named after Burj Khalifa. Don't know why.
Burj and Kano.
It's not that tall. Kano is for Filipino Americano, because he's kind of like a foreigner here. He's from outside.
Basta masulod lang sa sasakto kay di malapta dyan kung ulan. We start already. Subscribe mo ko.
Subscribe ikaw sa
YouTube. There's more to go.
Hello guys, my name is Asnison Santo. Hi guys, my name is Samantha Melisila ko. Ikaw. Saman! Kung ka
Need to exercise.
Yes.
See, before the sunlight will gonna,
It gets too hot,
yeah, before it
It's already
gets too
warm.
hot.
but it's nice with a fan. Keeps you cool.
Nice.
It's like wind coming from the front.
Yep.
The speed.
Yes. How about you open the other side? He's
There
covered.
is the sunshine coming in here.
Yeah. The sun. Yeah. He's covering that one, guys, because he doesn't want other people seeing him covered. Nice. Sunrise. Sunrise, sunrise. Beautiful morning here. Look at that. Looks so pretty. The palm trees is and the banana. Raining, raining. Oh, baby, it's raining, raining.
You're really coming down.
Big.
Sounds like hail.
Slowly removing some of the stuff in here. This is still big, guys, so such a waste like this, so we need to renovate it.
Yeah.
We need to tear down this one.
Yeah. Because they have to lay new foundations.
Yes, new foundation. And there's already a tiles in here.
Yeah.
Oh, it's such a waste of a tiles. And
Well, I think some of the tiles he can still rescue because he's just gonna put balls in here.
still big space in here and in
Yeah,
front.
so the building will come out all the way here.
Yes, still big.
Yeah.
There's more 5 cubic coming. Yes, I'm a blogger. Welcome to YouTube. Yes. It's 5 more to go. Oh my God,
What?
this one is not enough. They said it's like in my uncle was they delivered last time like 40. Ooh,
40 cubic of what?
like this.
Each? 40 each?
No, 40
40
all.
all.
Oh my God, it's just 10.
We've got 10.
Yes. Whew. More to go. Sa babaw, yeah, because the flooring in the bottom and upstairs. Yes.
This is our list of goodies that we need to buy. We already have sand and gravel, and now we need some other materials that are going to be needed for the downstairs section. So today is the buying day.
Yep.
And
Buying
for
day.
what we need for buying is money.
Money. Woo.
So the
Yeah.
quote here is 29,000 for all these different materials, the
Yeah,
screws
not
and
yet.
steel
Still lots to go, guys.
beams and etc. But yeah, so we're gonna give 30. What did we say? 35. huh?
35.
Yeah,
So
just in
there's
case.
Extra. It's just only this one, a beaming. It's just for beaming.
Yeah. Yeah, building is expensive.
Guys,
So
this is our lunch for today. It's just simple. We're not feeling well because tired from yesterday swimming.
yeah, the
Yes.
day in the sun and
Yes.
driving for 4 hours.
Yes, it's far away.
So I'm just having a non-Filipino hamburger.
Yes, that's nice. And our buko shake. Set. Bon appetit.
This is the life. Guarding our sand here, are you? Yeah, yeah. Because the sand is nice and cool. It's hot today. Hey! You! Hey. This is father and this is son. But son is much bigger than father. New generation, old generation. But they're loving the sand. Not for long, because it's going to end up as a building. They're so naughty. Shella's burning the rubbish.
Guys.
Hello.
Hi.
Say hello. You got nice skates.
Yes.
You're good at it, eh? This is total 5 cubic plus 5 cubic. But that's just the start of it. Oh, somebody coming. Guys, how hot it is. Even the chicken can't survive. Chicken died today. Hans, Shella's brother, has a whole bunch of chickens in the back. In the back there. But the heat today was too much. So now they're going to have it for dinner. Oh, I don't think anybody wants to watch that. Yeah, well, no, the part that comes before the cooking. It's not buying at the supermarket part. The mayhem has started. First day of construction. There used to be a wall in here, like this. It's been knocked down. The other room here, also being knocked down. And the other room.
The steel. Hi. And I want to show this one. This one, yes, the lumber. It's not yet enough. There's more coming. Oh, okay. It's the one they're gonna do for the making the beam.
And what are you doing here? Huh? What are you doing here? Yeah. Getting fit with all this construction.
Second time here in Botejo, Japanese restaurant.
Botejo.
Yeah, second time here. I like the food here, guys.
Yeah, prices are reasonable.
Yes,
actually.
they have set
Not
actually. Yeah, you have like this, you have like this already with this one. See? It's set for 95.
Oh,
Yeah, you have ramen, you have the. Right?
oh, that's not bad. That's nice.
Bad actually. This bento box.
Back in the mall.
Every day in the mall.
This is so hot outside.
Our order just arrived. Look at that, guys. Ooh, so yummy. Sushi and our ramen.
What are those? Chicken croquettes or what? Oh, so we both have chicken.
Chicken and pork. Ramen. And, oh, you ordered same. Okay.
Yeah. That's why I wanted the pork. I thought maybe to
Yes.
have a variety. That's okay.
Okay. Bon appetit.
Bon appetit.
Okay. So all of that cost
1209.11 pesos.
yes.
It's not bad because
Not
it's
bad.
actually
Yeah.
it's very
Good
filling.
deal. Yes. It's fitting.
It's a good deal.
Nice.
Yeah.
English shake. Before we going to where again? We love to go SNR.
We're doing our round trip today.
Yes.
SN Mall, end up at the supermarket,
Yeah.
SNR,
Well, there's something construction in our house.
and some refreshments along the way.
Yep.
This one is nice actually.
People is doing construction there. Pad gali no. Nami. Pila bakal mo karon hay?
The rod for the cement poles, the supporting rods. This is how they bend them. For all the ties. Let's see what's going on at the back here. You hear all the drilling that's going on. Oh wow, there's nothing left of the walls. Goodness. It's all open. Yeah, so there's gonna be a pole here. Poles over there. On either side probably pole.
They didn't finish it all. They just
Oh, they dug really deep. That's the backyard, and there's the next house. So this is all gonna get pulled up. Oh my goodness.
Oh, I think they're not gonna do that one for you.
We're gonna have to tear it down because this will move that way. Yeah, it's fast, huh? From yesterday. In one day, all of this in one day. We bought this one yesterday, this machine. So they had this one here and it was too small. So these are the strong steel support for the pillars that are gonna go in.
Guys,
Yeah, very thick. And this is for the
pillar.
This is to hold the cement when they create the channels to fill up for the pillars. We're gonna have lots of these, but thick pillars. Wow, these pillars are really big. Wow.
Strong foundation.
So it's day 2 of the construction and they've done a lot already. As you saw in the back, there's a lot less wall remaining. But let's see what happens, how far they get at the end of the day. We have a race going because this house has been going for like, how long has this house been building for? 3 months, yeah. It's been building for about 3 months already. And we want to see how fast the guys are going to build on our side, because generally the team that we've got is very quick. We work them on a contract, fixed price, so it's in their interest to finish it as fast as possible. And yeah, the bets are on who finishes first, them with a 3-month head start or us. This is kind of almost the same size. So this is what happens when you do house building. You need cash, lots of it. So we're finding ourselves back again at Western Union for another withdrawal. And Shella is busy doing the receiving. I did the sending, she does the receiving. This is the quickest way for us, which lasts us a couple of days. Yep.